Guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm showing you some slime I made off camera. Here it is. And yes, I'm not showing my face because like my BFF is over. So yeah. And also here's some slime I made on TikTok. It's that one. Let's bring it closer. It's really nice. So yeah, that's that. And I'm going to be showing you me making some. So yeah, let's get to the video. So guys, I've got everything ready. I got my powder ready and everything ready. So guys, let's just pour the water in now. So guys, sorry about that little pause there. I'm gonna pour this in now. It's hard to know how much you need. Go. Okay. So guys, let's mix it in. Sorry about that random little go. So my friend has to go now. So guys, my friend has gone now, so it's gonna be harder to film. But yeah, here's the slime. Because I left it for a bit, it's like set quicker, which is really good. Oh, and I have some shout outs. So obviously my friend on TikTok at @6darling, obviously Poppy from Poppy and Emma. What else? Who else I meant? Crazy Life of Scarlett, my friend Corey Watt, Rosie Edwards, and Mia, who is probably watching, so hi to Mia. Hello. And yeah, hi to all Mia's family too. So yeah guys, here's the slime. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Actually no, bye. Not bye. Remember to subscribe, like, comment down below, put the notification bell on. Now bye.